Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Diana Romanovska. I am a certified family law specialist practicing family law in the Bay Area, California. Today, this video is going to be about custody. There are two types of custody: legal custody and physical custody. The judge is going to make decision about custody based on the best interest of the children of the child. Custody means who is going to make decisions about the child. So, for example, if school, religion, welfare, doctors, that is legal custody, so decision-making power. Physical custody is where the child is going to reside most of the time, and which address are we going to use for enrolling the child to school, for example. And the judge has to consider factors that are in the best interest of a child. For example, is there any domestic violence involved in this case? Neglect of a child? Is the child old enough to make decisions about who the child is going to live? Custody is a term that people confused with visitation. So when we talk about legal custody, then it's only going to be about decision-making process. If we talk about physical custody, it's going to be where the child is going to live. When we talk about a visitation, we can have 50-50 joint legal custody, but one parent has 20% visitation or every other weekend. So visitation is more important for the child support. So the child support will have percentage of visitation with each parent and income of both parents. It has nothing to do with legal or physical custody. So in cases where there is domestic violence abuse, DVRO, filed and there is a permanent restraining order, the parent who is protected, the victim, has most of the time granted sole legal and physical custody, and the other parent will have to rebut the presumption, it's called 3044 presumption, that other parent is now, after 1 year batterer intervention program, is able to come back in child's life for joint legal custody. And that has to be determined by the judge. But in the meantime, the parent who has been granted restraining order have to allow visitation depending on the severity of domestic abuse alleged. So during that year, the child will see both parents, whether supervised or unsupervised, to be decided by the judge. So to summarize, typically the judge is going to grant joint, in normal healthy case, joint legal custody, joint physical custody, and then 50-50 visitation, which is usually 2-3 schedule in a perfect world. And then if there is neglect, abuse, drug addiction, then it can affect legal, physical custody and visitation. So I hope that was helpful. If you have questions, don't hesitate to reach out, and I will see you in my next consultation. Bye.